Testing 1, 2, 3. Testing 1, 2, 3. Testing 1, 2, 3. Complete home renovation. How it is to live in a complete crazy home renovation. Woo! What's up, everybody? What's up? That's how you start a day off. Or, that's how you start this evening off. That's right, this evening. We are getting ready to, that is myself, getting ready to, woo, boom, 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 listen to my music as I do. Now, what's up, everybody? What's up? What's up? Alright, we are starting our framing tonight. So I have to stop working on my TV entertainment center back here. Alright, I moved everything, and now I'm going to frame up this window opening area. I'm going to finish framing up this wall, back wall. I'm going to be wrapping the window and covering that all up, and we're going to be doing we're taking that window and removing it completely out of there. So from the inside, outside, I got to do work from the outside and the inside. And the same thing on this side. I got to do work from the inside, outside on this side. So I'm going to be bringing my framework up to around here, okay? So that way I gave myself plenty of room to work with when it gets nicer outside here in Minnesota, and I'm ready to go outside and work on both sides of the house and do the window and cut block and everything else. But I don't want to slow up my progress on insulating this basement, running wires, boxes, electrical, speakers, everything else. So I'm going to be framing it up to a certain area, and then I'm not worried about it. I can frame in a little window opening after the fact, which is not a big deal. Now, I'm going to be also in this video going to be insulating all my rim joists and sealing my seal plates, and I already did most of it. So let me flip you around and I'm going to show you real quick, because I don't want you thinking that he's just putting insulation inside his rim joists and going, why is he doing that? Foam would be better. I already got my seal plate and my rim foamed with R10 XXP and foamed in, sealed, great. And then I'm going to be sticking insulation like this over here. Okay, going all the way back, and that is for one purpose, for sound and for extra R value. Same concept over here. It's all capped in. Okay. Tight spot. So, now I'm going to turn on my radio and go back to doing my thing and shut off my camera light and frame and work. It's the evening here in Minnesota for me, so I want to try to get a little bit of this done for the night. I got a lot of it all cleaned up and ready to go, so just hope you enjoy this video, and That is the whole purpose of why you see me right now framing this area up so high and that area up so high and everything else. It's one reason, and one main reason is to run electrical, insulate, and I'm not worried about the window because I have a lot of exterior work on the blocks walls that I'm going to be doing on the outside from the inside. And when I tear out that, all that is right now is a foam, 2-inch foam board like this, okay, sealed in there. And you're like, why is that spray foam like crazy like that? Actually, I put that piece there, and when I was doing all my other stuff, I'd come over here with that little bit left that's always left in the can and you can barely get it out, and I'd just be like, psh, 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 psh. Same concept. That's why this side's a little bit neater, okay, because I was almost done running all my foam up all the way around and my seal plates and everything else. So that's just the purpose. So that's why I'm just bringing my framework up so high right now, and so that way I can continue to do what I'm doing down here, and a window isn't going to slow me down, because that little thing will be easy to frame out after the fact and put a window in, and yada yada yada. No big deal. Simple stuff. All right, enjoy the video. I'm gonna, or whatever. Woo! And thank you for tuning in. Hope you're liking this basement series so far. We are working our butts off and hoping to make this a real nice family area. Man cave, women cave. We're both movie buffs and gamers, so we're going to be gaming on our big TV, and hoping to spend most of our summer months down here, so that way we don't have to burn electricity with air conditioners and everything else. Just gotta get the rest of it done. I got so much stuff in my way and to do, and the big beast, he's sleeping right now underneath the old furnace. I got concrete in that hallway to move, and well, yeah, we just got a mess. So one step at a time, one project at a time, finally, almost. So here we go. Woo! up, everybody? A little DeWalt review. Look at this old school DeWalt radio. That's right. It's over 15 years old. Still works. Still works.
So, I always stay true to my DeWalt tools. I can't talk.
What's up, everybody? It's the Beast. That's right. That's right. Guess what? I'm gonna give you my DeWalt review. Woo! Look at this, baby. Ooh.
Got back from Home Depot, got a great vibe. Why do I say that? Because I opened up this box. You can't see it. It's all up here on the counter. I just opened up this box and it came with a bag. That's right. And 2 backup batteries. Woo! I knew that I was going to have a couple batteries. But now I got 2 18-volt backup batteries. 1 for my radio, 1 for my gun. And then I can use it for other things like my hammer drill, like this one, or my impact drill. I love my DeWalt. Woo! Have a great day. I'll let you know how it works, but I already know it's going to be beast power. Wah! Because it's DeWalt. I've been using DeWalt for many years.